This is Vineyard Life. In this series, we'll explore the frustrations and joys of owning a hobby vineyard. We'll also include links to low-cost or free resources to help you grow grapes. We'd love to have your comments. You can leave them below. It's winter in the vineyard, but while the growing season is a couple months away, there's still work that can be done. When the leaves are off the vines, it's a good time to inspect the trellis system. Loose posts and loose wires can be tightened now, before the vines put their weight on them. Enclosures, gates, and gate hardware can be checked for winter damage. The dirt covering the graft unions should still be in place. Repairing gates and fences early in the season leaves more time for other work later in the year. Winter's a good time to make repairs. You don't have to worry about damaging spring buds or summer clusters. If you're adding or repairing trellis wire, it's best to do it before the canopy becomes full. If needed, the trunks of the vines can be straightened, staked, and tied. Before the growing season starts is when you want to plan your spray schedule and order what you need. Talk to local growers or review your notes from previous years to decide what to use. When spring approaches, we'll begin pruning the vines. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe?